It is cold
Oh,
there. Hmm?
yeah, yeah, so much.
Okay. Hello, Shivang. I can see you.
He will join separately.
Where is
Okay.
he? He's not visible.
No, he is just behind me, but he is using his mobile. I'm not giving his my mobile and my camera to use.
So why
So
should give him? Because he is having his own.
yeah,
So
yeah,
he should use his
huh,
own mobile.
yeah,
So
definitely.
separately you can
Uh,
use the mobile. Yeah.
yeah, he will use his separate mobile with different place. I said to him, go anywhere, everywhere, wherever you want to go, not here.
So you both are in Jabalpur
No,
or
no,
your
we
native place?
yeah, my native place. I just came.
Okay.
I'm enjoying my last
Because
days
of
of this year.
winter's vacation.
Yeah, yeah,
You are in Patan now.
yes,
Wow.
yeah.
So how is the cold over there?
Uh, so much actually. The temperature is I think 40 degree, 14 degree,
14.
or I think or low hoga. I just didn't check it.
It should be 7 or 8.
Yeah, I think so.
Because it's a biting cold, chilly cold. How is your papa and mummy? Where are they?
My mom is in the kitchen, and sister is outside, and father is in village, and my brother is behind me, and right now I'm here.
He's waving. He's
Wow,
waving
what a description, huh?
and from
Thank you.
back side of you. I can see his hand from
Yes,
your back. Just sitting back of you.
yes.
Show him.
I will not. Actually, sorry, I will not.
उसको, your mobile is not stable. Hi KK. Hi शिवांग. शिवांग से तो हाय हो गई. केके तो बेचारा आते बढ़ गया. Not बेचारा. I'm going my place in my class. अरे केके left. Why did he left?
No,
When
the
did
I
he leave?
came back.
अच्छा, came back.
Actually, I got one call, so I was attending it.
That's why. Now I can feel the bhara bhara class.
So many
Hello.
seniors are there, huh?
Hmm.
So after
I
a long
think
time, how are you guys?
how are
You guys?
uh, we all are fine here.
Okay.
Well, yesterday I went to the Wednesday market. There is a one Wednesday market in Nagpur in my near my home. So there is a vegetable market. So I went there last night. So I saw boot. Sir loves na boot very much. So I saw that, but
Your
I
both
couldn't.
brother love food.
Boot, but that's Buddha also loves it very much. But I couldn't buy. And Chimu was saying that one day he also went to buy some vegetable in front of my building. So he said, Mama, there is a one, whoa, this kind of thing Mama ji used to have always in the winter season. So हमने कहा हाँ boot ना, do you like? should I buy for you? So he said, no, but I saw that key as the boot kind of thing. हमने कहा, this is the boot. In Jabalpur, you used to say.
Actually, these kind of desi things are na very helpful to prevent the cold.
Hmm. Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good
Now we can
afternoon,
say
Afternoon,
sir.
sir.
this
Good
is the
noon, sir.
family group.
Guys, today's sentence is, if you want to write it down, the peon opened the gate. If your CC is on, you can see on your screen. Otherwise, it is written on the board. KK, who opened the gate?
Sir, I opened the gate.
दरवाजा किसने खोला?
Sir, मैंने दरवाजा खोला. Aparna di, who opened the gate?
Actually, KK, there was nobody over there. Hey, nobody was there, and I heard one a sound, and maybe the ghost opened the door.
Okay, di. Maybe it was the air.
uh, Sarika, who opened the door?
The one of the watchmen opened the door.
Gate. Okay.
Open the gate.
Teacher, go to answer.
Jaya, who opened the gate?
Didi, when I rang the bell, my neighbor opened the gate. To whom should I ask?
You can ask who is rest.
Siva.
पीछे वाला is rest.
Where is Siva? He is not responding me.
Hello.
Actually, Siva,
Yes.
who opened the gate?
Pappu opened the gate. Opened the gate. Who is rest?
Nobody is rest. You can ask KK Bhaiya again.
KK भैया. Who opened the gate?
I think the house owner opened the gate.
Jaya
Com-
is new in this Google Meet, so I would like to give her instruction. Jaya, this is not a normal call that you wait for the response. Wait for the response. You just call the name and put the question. After you are muting, the person will automatically respond. So don't wait for the response, just call the name and speak.
Okay, sir.
It was also not necessary.
Okay, Shivang, complete the process.
Yes.
भैया गेट किसने खोला?
घर मालिक ने गेट खोला. The who opened the gate last night?
No, it is done. You already
Okay,
asked the question. Only Shivang was rest to answer. That's why I.
okay, sir.
Uh, Sarika and Aparna, this is the second sentence of third phase. If you are writing, you can write down in third phase. And now tell me, are you, any one of you is going to perform it or should I continue?
Uh, as you say, sir.
Okay, let me continue it. Uh, Sarika, firstly, can you tell me the Hindi meaning of this sentence?
चौकीदार ने या सर प्यून को नौकर बोले, प्यून ही बोल देना। हाँ, प्यून ने दरवाजा खोला।
चपरासी।
Aparna, which sentence
चपरासी ने दरवाजा खोला।
does this sentence belong, Aparna?
So this sentence belongs to past simple.
You can ask the next question to someone.
Which is the category of this sentence, KK?
This sentence belongs. Sorry, this is an affirmative sentence. Jaya, what is the subject in this sentence?
The peon is the subject of the sentence. Sarika Didi,
Wait, make a proper sequence. Shivang is rest.
Shivang, what is the second form of the sentence?
Sorry.
Okay, Shivang, you ask.
Sarika Didi, what is the main verb in this sentence?
Okay, Aparna, you ask. Wait.
Sarika, is there any help? Is there any helping verb in this sentence?
No, there is no helping verb.
हमने भी गलत पूछ लिया. I asked wrong. What is the helping verb in this sentence?
There is no helping verb, Di. Okay. KK भैया, what is the main verb here?
Open is the main verb over there. Jaya, what is the in that sentence?
Come again.
Jaya, what is the gate in that sentence?
Bhaiya, the gate is the object of the sentence.
Okay.
Sarika, is your CC on?
Yes, sir. My CC is on. Aparna Di, is your CC on?
Yes, Sarika. My CC is on. Jaya, is your CC on?
Yes, yes, Didi. My CC is on right now. Shiva, is your CC on?
Yes, it is on. KK Bhaiya, is your CC on?
Yes, my CC is on, or it is on. With whom should I ask?
You
To
can
say?
ask me.
Okay, sir. Sir, is your CC on?
No, it is off, but now I am going to switch it on.
Okay, sir.
Switch it on.
Would you like to complete the process?
सर क्या आपका सीसी ऑन है?
नहीं, ये बंद है, लेकिन अब मैं चालू करने वाला हूँ.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to switch it on. Sarika asked the first related question. Of passive voice. Of passive voice.
जी जी. Aparna Di, what is the first rule of passive voice?
According to the first rule of passive voice, firstly we change the object into the subject. What is the object in this sentence, KK?
The gate is the object in that sentence. Jaya, what is the second rule of the passive voice?
Bhaiya, sorry, but right now I think I don't remember it. So can you please skip me?
Okay. Uh, Shivang, what is the second rule of the passive voice?
I also don't know, Bhaiya. I forgot.
Okay. Uh,
KK भैया, you can ask me.
okay, ma'am, what is the second rule of the passive voice?
Thereafter, we take helping verb accordingly if it is present.
Okay.
D, is there any helping verb in this sentence?
No, Sarika, there is no helping verb in this sentence. KK, what is the third rule of passive voice?
Thereafter we remember the god of passive voice, that is Mr. B. Ma'am, what is the uh, no? When Mr. B comes in past, what are the forms?
When
When
Mr.
Mr. B, okay.
Yes, Sarika, it's your go now.
When Mr. B comes in past, the forms are was and were.
Okay.
Okay, Aparna Di, which form should sir take over there out of them?
Sarika, the form of be was should sir take over there out of them because the subject is singular now.
Aparna, repeat your answer and start with subject.
Okay, because the subject is singular now.
Subject नहीं. Sir,
Sir should take was form of
ask the next question to somebody else.
okay. KK, why should we take was out of them?
We should take was over there out of them because the subject is singular number. Ma'am, what is the fourth rule of the passive voice?
Thereafter, we change main verb into the V3. Thereafter, we change the main verb into V3.
Okay, it's your go to ask somebody else.
Okay. Aparna Di, what is the main verb in upper one sentence?
Sarika, open is the main verb in upper one sentence. KK, what is the third form of main verb? Open.
And
What is the
the
third open?
opened is the third form of open. The what is the fifth, ma'am? What is the fifth rule of the passive voice?
Lastly, we change the subject into the object with the help of by. Aparna Di, what is the subject in upper one sentence?
The peon is the subject in upper one sentence.
Aparna, you can ask Hindi meaning to Jaya.
Okay, Jaya, tell us what should be the Hindi meaning of that sentence?
Didi, the Hindi meaning of the lower one sentence is गेट चपरासी के द्वारा खोला जाता है.
Sorry,
Sorry.
खोला जाएगा. Okay.
sorry.
Gate
Jaya, ask the same question to Shivang.
Sivang, what should be the Hindi of the lower one sentence?
The Hindi of the lower one sentence is चपरासी के द्वारा गेट खोला गया.
Sorry.
Now you can fire, means you can ask questions.
Sir, why did you put the article with gate?
I put the article with gate because that particular gate is already mentioned, and first person who is asking the question, he knows which gate he is talking about, and the second person to whom the question is being asked is also aware about that particular gate which is situated in this building. Nice question.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we take any possessive adjective instead of the peon?
Yes, if the situation is demanding, you can definitely take the possessive adjective here. By the way, if you want to put any possessive adjective, which possessive adjective would you like to put here?
Sir, I would like to put him. Nay, in first sentence he opened the gate, and the second one is the gate was opened by him.
Him is object, Sarika, and you were talking about possessive adjective.
Is this a pronoun?
So him,
Can we say pronoun?
his. Sorry, his. Okay.
Wow, sir, who made it?
Recently, one current student, I could not write his name here, but I remember his name. His name is Ketan. He is basically from any village, but right now he is living with his Nana ji in Jabalpur, and he is having only 1 month or two. Later on, he will go to Hyderabad for his further studies. He's a uh, good, sensible boy. He's a sensible boy. Sensible means samajhdar. So he made it like Jaya made one very nice poster and she framed it. There was a frame lying uselessly. So she fixed that poster in that frame when she used to live here. I would like to show you. And it always reminds me, Jaya. It is a
Thank you,
very
sir.
thank you too. It is hanging here in the office area. You can see this frame was uselessly lying. So Jaya fixed it here herself. Then lastly, I wrote her name here. Saujanya se Jaya Dubey. Maybe she knows or not, I don't know.
Sir, I noticed it when I came.
And there is one more thing. This Ganesh ji ki aarti सौजन्य से नेहा दुबे or Jaya Dubey, I don't know.
Neha Dubey.
Because you guys know very well that Ganesh ji is always installed here, and it is Saujanya se KK,
Okay.
courtesy by KK. So there are so many other things like this one. It is nice quotation. Aparna, read it.
Longest is mother's love, shortest is other's love, but strongest is friend's love. Make a love. Who
Sarika.
stuck it?
Longest is mother's love, shortest is other's love, but strongest is friend's love. Make a love.
Call somebody.
Jaya?
Okay. Longest is mother's love, shortest is other's love, but strongest is friend's love. Make a love.
Jaya, call somebody.
के भैया.
Longest is mother's love, shortest is other's love, but strongest is friend's love. Make a love. Uh, it is I am feeling sad because I missed my friends. They all are in.
Right. Shivang.
Longest is mother's love, shortest is other's love, but strongest is friend's love. Make a love.
It is very old poster and it is laminated as well. That's why I could not write the name of the student, and I don't remember. So
Please
these
let us
things
know.
remind me my old students, and it gives happiness. I don't know, maybe Shivang's reference is here or not because the name is not written. Some references are available here. Okay, let me ask Sarika, by whom was the gate opened?
Sir, I was the gate opened.
Sorry,
Sorry.
Hmm?
Aparna,
sorry,
I was opened the gate.
sorry.
sorry.
Aparna, can you
Sorry,
answer
Didi.
this question?
Uh, the gate was opened by the peon.
दरवाजा किसके द्वारा खोला गया?
दरवाजा पियून के द्वारा खोला गया.
Carry on.
KK, by whom was the gate open?
The by my mother. Sorry, the gate was opened by my mother.
गेट किसके
Uh,
द्वारा?
दी गेट मम्मी के द्वारा खोला गया, मेरी मम्मी के द्वारा खोला गया. जया, by whom the gate was opened?
भैया
क्या
come
भैया?
again.
Who was, sorry, by whom was the gate opened?
Okay भैया. भैया, the gate was opened by me.
गेट किसके द्वारा खोला गया?
भैया
जया.
भैया गेट मेरे द्वारा खोला गया.
Okay, it's your go to ask someone
Yeah.
else.
Siva, by whom was the gate opened?
The gate was opened by her.
Okay. सिवा गेट किसके द्वारा खोला गया?
दीदी गेट उसके द्वारा खोला गया. सारिका Sarika Didi, by whom was the gate opened?
Shivang, the gate was opened by his assistant.
दीदी गेट किसके द्वारा खोला गया?
शिवांग, गेट उनके असिस्टेंट के द्वारा खोला गया. Sir, by whom was the gate opened?
The gate was opened by the peon.
Sir, गेट किसके द्वारा खोला गया?
चपरासी के द्वारा गेट खोला गया. Now, please ask more questions if you have.
Sir, I have one more question, sir. Sir, passive voice sentence in second sentence, sir, the gate was opened by the peon. So, sir, the article is used twice in that sentence. So, sir, where is the in Hindi sentence, sir?
Yes, guys, very nice question. Generally, I answer this question at the beginning of the batch. Guys, in Hindi, uh, is it visible?
Yes, sir. That is
Yes, sir.
visible.
Clearly
Please
visible.
read this, KK.
Ladka, sir. Sir,
Uh,
ladka is written over there.
and what should be the plural number of ladka?
Sir, boy is the sorry. Boys are the plural number of ladkas.
Jaya, what is the plural number of ladka?
Sir, ladke is the plural number of ladka.
Okay, sir.
Guys, in Hindi language, this facility is available. We can mention singular number sometimes with only aki matra, and we can mention plural number with e ki matra, o ki matra, bindi, so on. But this kind of facility is not available in English language to specify singular number. That's why they need to use article, and they say a ball. This is their compulsion to use articles, and there is no word, there is no Hindi meaning of article, because article word or the thing article is not at all used in Hindi. That's why there are only three articles. Generally, if we want to specify somebody, so we use different matras in Hindi. We say, उसी लड़के ने चोरी की. So, E की matra is specifying that boy. But in English, we will have to use, this is the boy who stole the money. Steal is actually transitive verb, sakarmak kriya. That's why I had to put object. So this is the difference of two languages. In Hindi, we do not need articles at all, but they are must, they are mandatory in English to specify the thing or to categorize the thing. Categorize means if you want to categorize any subject in a singular number, you need to put a or an. If you want to specify anything or any person, you need to put the article. Nice question, KK. Because you have already attended passive voice, you know all the things, but this will make you stronger, I must say, for the next passive voice whenever you attend. So these all things will be useful for you. Nice.
But sir,
Next.
they can the Angrez can say Angrez can use only boy. So there is no means we can understand by the s. If they are putting s with the boy, so we can understand that this is the plural number of the boy. But
You are right.
only they
You
are
are right.
using
Uh, Aparna,
so
you are right. We can to understand, but they don't understand. They
but
have
they don't.
created some rules.
Why unnecessarily they are using a article with the
Yeah,
person?
yeah. Actually, I'm again saying English is a language of beggars. It is having 26 alphabets, very poor language, or you can say the poorest language of the world. The specifications are not there, but uh, like L is unnecessary here, but if we do not write here L, we get cross or zero by the teacher. There is no rule of L here. Talk like this, walk on your screen. L is unnecessary here. What is the need? So, really, I agree with you. The Britishers use so many things unnecessarily, and we are suffering with all these things.
But sir,
You-
if I am talking about the Hindi medium students especially, so we usually use a article most of the time. Yeah? This is a boy, this is a pen, like that. So we usually use this a.
In a
It,
story, we can
it is
use
taught from the
Unnecessary.
beginning.
Yeah. Means we have comprehended this thing uh, forcefully or sometimes deeply. So that's why we used to use this thing. But nowadays, after attending your class, na, so sometimes I skip A because you earlier told na कि sometimes there is no need to put A in some.
At the beginning of the batch, I prohibit you to use A. And I would like to tell you to rectify your thing. The letter is A, sorry, A, but it is pronounced A. And I will send you, please remind me, the picture of this dictionary. It is very nicely mentioned in this dictionary. The origin of letter A. And here it is mentioned, I'm just reading, I will send you the picture later because it will not be visible, very small letters. I'm trying to show you, later on I will send you the picture. It is written here, you can see. Here I'm reading. Uh, the first letter of the English alphabet. Number two, a sound that this letter presents plural as or as. Later on, number two, वो जो उल्टा ई आप देख रहे हो, इट इज एक्चुअली द प्रोनाउंसिएशन और आ के ऊपर वहां एक बिंदी एक लाइन से देख रहे हो, indefinite article it is called. I will send you the picture so that you can properly, and you will be surprised first time you are going to listening. Generally, we have heard the name of Oxford, Dictionary, guys, you know very well. It is very popular dictionary. I'm having so many dictionaries of Oxford here. Later on, I suggested you in Google for Collins. Collins is also, but you will be surprised to listen. The topmost dictionary is called Webster's Dictionary. It is big in shape. You will not be able to see because it has been faded name. Here maybe you can see. No, it is not visible. It is Webster's Dictionary. Webster's. The topmost American, here you can see Webster's Dictionary.
New World Dictionary. Yes,
Come
sir, it
again.
is. Sir, uh, uh, actually, in that dictionary written, Webster's Dictionary for Young Adults, something like that.
Yes, I generally show this thing. I'm reading.
Yes.
Uh, vocabulary needs of readers aged 11 to 14। अमेरिका में ये इतनी मोटी 2-2.5 किलो की डिक्शनरी 11 से 14 साल के बच्चों के प्रयोग करने के लिए होती है। फिर वो जब 14 साल से बड़े होते हैं तो अपने छोटे भाई बहनों को दे देते हैं, फिर इतनी ही मोटी या इससे मोटी दूसरी डिक्शनरी वो खरीदते हैं। It is really very nice dictionary. So many different things are given in this dictionary. Whenever any reference comes, I will definitely send you the picture. And I must tell you one story of getting this dictionary.
I was about to ask you, was it gifted or
Do you remember that story, Aparna? No.
no? But I know कि somebody used to gift you, na?
Kushwaha Bhaiya, do you remember?
हाँ
Remember the name?
हाँ of course
I
of
forgot
course.
the name of.
um, दिलीप कुश नहीं सतीश
Whenever you
कुश
remember,
सतीश
you tell me later. So there used to be a student. He was a senior student, means he was aged. Uh, so he used to attend my class. So once he was wandering in Delhi. So on the footpath there was a bookseller. So just for nothing, without knowing anything, uh, I must use one Jabalpuriya word. In ladkon he bought this dictionary worth rupees 50, 50 rupees.
He helped me about, a lot about my research in my PhD when I was making my uh,
Thesis.
typing work and theory work.
So he bought it, but when he started using it, consulting it, guys, consult is the verb for dictionary. You should consult the dictionary every day, blah blah. आपको रोज डिक्शनरी देखना चाहिए. So he found it useless. Then he came one day. He came to the class with this dictionary, and he told me the story. Ki sir, I bought it in 50 rupees, and it is of no use. Please, you keep this and give me that Oxford dictionary. So I gave him one of the dictionary. He was happy, but I got happy after a long time, after consulting. When I started consulting it, using it, I was very happy. And uh, I came on this conclusion that it was फायदे का सौदा. It was a trade of so much
Prestige.
profit.
Profit.
So it reminds me, Mr. Kushwaha, always.
Naresh Kushwaha. Naresh Kushwaha.
Naresh Kushwaha, absolutely right. Now he's married, having a couple of children, doing vestige nicely.
Prestige.
Anyway, come to the point.
Vestige is a one brand, na sir? Actually,
It's a chain of medicine and so many.
yes, sir. Actually, I saw some medicine in my home. My brother is using
Vestige, na?
Vestige. Yes,
I heard this name, Vestige.
yes.
He stopped in Jabalpur.
Okay, sir. Uh, I think organic kind of medicine provided by Vestige.
Yeah.
Means now he's MR
No,
working
no,
as
no,
a.
no. He's the boss. He stayed abroad a couple of times by the company. He was
Wow,
sent to the. He was sent abroad. He was sent abroad a couple of times.
very good.
Very costly products. Vestige company's products are very costly, and uh, it is having not only medical products but as well as agriculture product as
Yeah.
means some kinds of pesticides and बहुत सारी चीजें हैं उसकी and grocery things as well means surf each and everything.
FMG products.
Yes, sir.
Means he has changed the track. He was an artist. Now he's in medical terms. So sometimes the people, the destiny change the people and people's destiny.
Destiny is changed sometimes. Jaya is smiling because passive voice is dropping out of my mouth.
Yes, sir. I'm noticing yours. All the
We are
sentence
all
speaking right now.
nowadays we all are speaking in passive voice, isn't it, Sarika? uh,
Unknowingly sometimes.
Ask any more question, related question.
Sir, uh, can two main verbs be used in one sentence?
Come again.
Can two main verbs be used in one sentence?
Yes. You will have to wait for tomorrow or day after.
Okay, sir.
I was asked, we were asked, so that's why we were smiling. When main verb become adjective, so it is very difficult. It made a difficult question for us when main verb become adjective.
I would again like to say that you should redefine the definition of difficult. If you don't know anything, it is difficult
Said,
for you. If I know, it is easy for me.
hmm. Now it is easy, but that time when we didn't know anything, so it was difficult.
Actually, you guys are curious, and curiosity is good, but have a little patience. And I must show you one. There is no special need to show, But just for nothing, generally I show this poster at the beginning when anybody is pressed for time.
Hmm.
A little progress every day adds up to big results. प्रतिदिन की गई थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रगति बड़े परिणाम प्रदान करती है.
Hmm.
A little progress every day adds up to big results. So just keep patience. You will get so many answers very soon. We have already entered in the third phase of passive voice. And there are total 7 phases of passive voice. But if you have any more questions related to this sentence, please ask. Jaya, is your mobile horizontal
Yes, sir.
so that you can see the board completely by pinning me
I
or
already
double,
pinned.
or double tapping?
If we are not changing object into the subject, so there is no need of subject into the object. So there is no need of this preposition, no? Just because of we are using subject into the object, that's why we are using by. Or sometimes we generally use by in other sentences to what is the meaning?
A meaning is similar, but not exactly. It shows the action of passive voice. It does not show kiya jana. By is used with time. I will be there by 11:30.
Hmm.
By is being used here. And like Sarika gave this example of somebody cutting the onion by knife
Say.
He
with knife.
usually travels by train.
Yes, yes, it is by is also used especially for the vehicles.
By road, by
By
train, by
road.
bus.
I came by road, I came by bus, he came by air, by ship.
So there should be both meaning of Hindi. Means can be happen dwara or say.
Actually, again, I would like to say never translate preposition as if I have not shown you this poster, please see this. Generally, I show this poster at the beginning. Aparna, read the first line
We can we can only see.
with open eyes is full stop.
Acha. We can only see with open eye.
Sarika, second.
We can only listen with open ears.
Shivang, last.
We can only think with open minds.
Now, Aparna, tell me what should be your Hindi.
We can only see with open eyes. हाँ, हम केवल खुली आंखों से ही देख सकते हैं.
Yes, absolutely right. So, translation is not done here. अब चलो तुम लोग को लग गया एक और बात बताते हैं पहले हम मदद लेते हैं जया की केके की और Shivanki. Let me check they remember or not. Jaya, according to you, what should be the Hindi meaning?
Sir, according to me, the Hindi meaning should be हम खुली आंखों से ही देख सकते हैं.
Yes, the meaning of only here is he. हम खुली आंखों से ही देख सकते हैं. He came only yesterday. कल ही तो आओ. He came only yesterday. वो कल ही आया था. The meaning of only is he. So we have always mugged up, crammed, learned that only means keval, self. It is wrong. Never translate preposition. Take out the meaning accordingly, which suits in Hindi sentence or which is suitable in Hindi sentence. So the Hindi meaning of with is say. We can think only with open minds. हम खुले दिमाग से ही सोच सकते.
So why we are putting minds in the mind? We can say na we can only think with open mind.
Have I never talked about it?
No, sir.
Okay, that is nice. Nice. Jaya, do you remember Shivang and KK? Anything regarding this?
Sir, I think there is something singular or plural way. Yeah, I think I got that.
Actually,
I think
mind
we are
is divided
talking
into
about we. That's why.
Just a minute.
जी.
KK?
mind is divided into two parts. वो आप कुछ हाथ करके दिखाते हैं. Means yes, like that.
Right brain
One
or left brain.
Right brain and
Now let me tell you in clear words. Uh, by Britishers, this portion is always addressed plural number, and according to Hindi, this portion is always addressed as a singular number. In Hindi, dimag, bheja, mastisk. But have you got one idiom? Your wits are
gone for
On a whole
wool
gathering.
gathering.
wits, minds. So in
Many
English,
men, many minds. वो तो
yes,
खैर many men हो गया.
it's a plural and plural combination. But your wits is gone is wrong. Your wits are gone, a wool gathering. We can think with open minds. So, uh, this word is always taken as plural number by Britishers according to science or the design according to the design of brain. Brain is used as a singular number, right? Brain is used as a singular number. So any more question regarding this, regarding anything? We are just discussing.
Sir, if we use mind as a plural number, so we will use it as a minds. So the sentence, if I am making the sentence like my brain is gonna burst, मेरा दिमाग फटने वाला है. और अगर I have to use minds, so I will use it like my minds are gonna burst. मेरा दिमाग फटने वाला है. Okay.
That's why I think the Britishers having more synonyms. My head is going to burst. Means according to need, they are using the synonyms word. Uh, they don't use brain or mind. They use that time. My head is going to burst. It's my opinion. Maybe I'm.
I want to say one very nice thing. It reminds me. See, according to me, the form of education should be like this. You are trying to discover. I am not imposing everything on you. Generally, what has been being done in Radha Chhap education, the have I given you this word impose? But we have
Yes, sir.
gone used.
Thopana?
Yes, sir.
We can say Thopana.
Absolutely. You can write down Thopna, impose, imposed, imposed. So I become very happy when I see this participation of students. One is asking, one is answering. It it is the way of education in Europe and some more countries. That's why today I was uh, taking your help rather than myself. I was not asking anything. You were asking everything one by one. Which chapter does this sentence belong? What is the subject? What is all? You were speaking English one by one. I was just writing down, underlining, because your participation is more important. Otherwise, generally in online classes, what happens, you know very well. Little kids are just sitting, playing, and teacher is teaching,
And getting bored.
getting bored.
Chimu yesterday asked the Chimu, na, so he was saying, means nowadays we are teaching him. I'm taking art subject, Hindi, English, and other subject, and his father, Papa, taking maths and science, so he can understand all the things. But I said, ki, to what are you learning? So in online classes, does I don't know anything, but I am listening all the things. But it is if it is in physical class, so I can understand. But in online class, I'm not getting so much. That's why. So this is the difference between online classes and physical class.
Yeah, but I must say कि teachers are putting so many efforts in
They are
online
doing their
classes as
best.
well,
They are
and
trying best.
most of the students they are not interested. Means I am not talking about especially Chimu, but most of the time, if kid are not interested in attend the class, or he is not focusing on the class, so he may be facing this kind of problem. But whenever I watch the Rudraksh online classes, so I am very satisfied because teachers are putting many efforts by showing the videos and showing the PPTs. So means they create more interesting atmosphere nowadays. They wanna create. So I
I
really
know.
appreciate online classes, and they really really work hard on it.
I know they are working very hard. They are appreciable for giving the so much things for getting their attraction and their attention in the class. But still, scenario is this कि Chimu likes the physical class most than rather than the uh,
Yeah, most
online
of the
class.
students like physical class because their atmosphere is so cool and they can meet their friends as well. They not only just study from there, they can meet their friends, they can share their lunch. So really they are missing that atmosphere. But still online classes is not matlab is nice, and my experience is very good. But Rudraksh likes both, means physical and an
Rudraksh is
online.
enjoying the class,
Yeah,
but the
he is
uh,
enjoying the
Guys,
class online as well, and he is very actively participate in online classes. Like
his
whenever he
teachers is
attended.
trying to make them participate. His teachers is trying to make them participate. But in Chimu's class, no, the teachers is teaching as a regular teachers. So they are not making their interest in the class. This is the difference between the Rudraksh school and the Chimu's school. They are doing their
Aparna,
job as a regular things.
Aparna, you can understand with this class very nicely. Remember when we started during Corona, I was facing so many problems. I was stressed sometimes. This technical problem, I was not aware of the function of Google Meet. You must remember. But now I'm totally relaxed because I have been experienced well. So this is the difference. The teacher who is teaching Rudraksh, he must be very experienced, friendly with technology and all. And the teacher who is teaching Chimu may be new or not friendly with this all technology. This may be the difference.
The difference between the cities are they are from the metro cities, and the teachers are given the good techniques of the tool of the
But
teachings,
the
and they
this
are
is the
getting it.
first
But
time, na.
in
This is
our
the first
cities,
time.
small cities, the teachers is teaching is a regular way. They are not taking any extra effort, but they are continuously asking, and they are giving the 100% in the night whole day. But the students are not satisfied.
It may be the reason person to person,
Yeah.
maybe.
It depends on person to person actually. Matlab this time, this is the first time na, so many teachers are explore this thing, means his Hindi teacher is not very comfortable to take the class. So he was earlier facing so many technical issues, but now he is now she is very comfortable with it. So and when I was attending the PTA meeting, so many teachers were sharing this thing ki this is the first time where matlab this is the first time platform where we performed like this. So they were facing same problem like sir, but now they are habitual to do this thing. And I think it totally depends on students to student, because so many students were not focusing the class. Still they are not focusing in the during the class. So they are facing difficulties. But if a student is alert and prompt, and he is aware during the class, so he can easily manage everything, I think. Matlab no matter it is online or offline, like
Hmm.
that. It's
And
my
I
personal opinion.
I
huh.
want to add one more thing. Aparna, you know, this is my bread and butter, right? So I have switched so many things. Firstly, I was having Airtel network. It was not giving good speed. I was facing problem. I was not friendly with Google Meet and all. And you know one more thing? Google Meet has uh, updated the app in so many folds.
Yes, yes.
Nowadays, the
Very
reception
large
is better.
language.
Yes, Google Meet was also new that particular time. So the
Hmm.
reception was not as good. Uh, and because it is my bread and butter, that's why I switched from Airtel to 5G network. I spent a lot of money because of bread and butter. Uh, I'm using Wi-Fi, getting a good speed. That's why I'm taking the classes in a relaxed manner. But as far as those teachers are concerned, he or she might not be having a Wi-Fi connection maybe using mobile data. So, mobile data does not give a good reception, good speed.
This is what I said to Sarika, ki this is the difference between the metro cities and the common city. This is the regular cities, and the teachers from the metro cities are so different, and that they are using new technology. And the teachers of these cities are same regular things. The people, students wants us attention, and he is listening. Chimu is giving the 100% of the study, but still he's missing something from which is he can get from the regular classes and physical classes. This is the difference.
And I want to add one more thing. The salary matters. Suppose if I am getting 5,000 only and my principal is saying, no, use Wi-Fi, blah, blah, blah. Why will I take Wi-Fi connection? Are you are giving me only 5,000 rupees and you are expecting me having Wi-Fi and teaching deeply and blah, blah.
They are not provided Wi-Fi in the school. They are using their only data. My Chimu's school's teachers, they are using. I asked them, "What are you using Wi-Fi in your school?" No, they said no. We are using our data. They are not providing us
But when
Wi-Fi. School,
lockdown has started, so all the teachers were teaching at their place. So they
huh?
are, that time was
Yeah,
so difficult now for
Chimu's school, the
everyone.
teachers, Chimu's school, teachers are teaching in school. Still, they are teaching in from school, but they are not
Okay.
using Wi-Fi, school Wi-Fi,
In
because
Mumbai, they have started coming in the school, I think from 6 or 7 months ago. Otherwise, they were
I
teaching
got
at
the
place.
conclusion. Sarika, I got the conclusion. Chimu is paying only 25,000 yearly fees, only 25,000 yearly. And what are you giving? What are you paying? Fees?
Approximately 1 lakhs.
This is the difference. This is
And
the
I
difference.
would like to add one more point. Suppose Renu, what is the surname of Renu, Aparna?
Sanghi.
Sanghi.
Renu Sanghi is teaching in a school just for passing the time because she's from a very sound family and salary does not matter. But teaching is her hobby. So definitely she will use because she belongs to sound family, well-to-do family. So she will use Wi-Fi from her house, and because she is interested in teaching, she will perform better. But the another teacher who is doing the job uh, for bread and butter and getting 5,000, 8,000, signing on 20,000 and getting 10,000, not satisfied.
10 or 15,000. This is the salary of the teachers only.
Let me tell you one Hindi joke. एक गांव के स्कूल में टीचर पढ़ा रहे थे, हाँ बताओ नर्मदा जी कहाँ से निकली। तो एक ने जवाब दिया यहाँ से, गलत हो गया। फिर उसने कल्लू ने बोला मैं बताऊं सर, हाँ तुम बताओ। सर नर्मदा जी दमोह से निकली हैं। वेरी गुड, करेक्ट आंसर, नर्मदा जी दमोह से निकली हैं। सडनली द DSCI, वो जो भी होते हैं उनके अधिकारी, they were standing outside near the window and they entered in and said, sir, what the hell are you teaching? नर्मदा जी
15,000 में दमोह से निकल सकती है।
500 रुपए में तो भैया दमोह से निकलेगी, पैसा बढ़ाओ तो हम अमरकंटक से भी निकाल देंगे।
सर अमरकंटक से निकलती है और खंभात की खाड़ी में गिरती है ना। हाँ चलो, मतलब मुझे याद है इतना पुराना हम लोग को था एक बार स्कूल में।
अपनी टीचर अच्छी पेमेंट वाली होंगी इसलिए वहीं से सिखाया होगा।
हाँ, मॉन्टेसरी में पढ़ाया था।
What is your experience, Jaya? Online classes and Shivang?
Sir, should I leave? It's 2:05.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.
If you talk about my perception, I think online or offline classes both are good. For me, making something friendly, yeah, atmosphere, according to you, it's not important. If you want to educate or if you want to learn, you can learn it offline or online also. But I didn't join offline online classes because when I was in college, there was online classes, but I was not okay with that because I don't want to join the classes, so I didn't join online classes. But I automatically my means I don't feel unfriendly with offline or online classes. I am most comfortable in everything.
Both, हाँ.
Yes.
For you, education is the most.
Yeah, making something friendly is okay. Means I didn't use this app before it, but now I'm using it, so it's okay. I'm using.
It is so many noises are coming from you,
Yeah,
mummy
yeah.
and Shivang.